Setting alerts based on fundamental or technical measures is one of the best ways to institute buy and sell discipline into your investment process. It's really easy to do using Stockopedia. On the Today page, you will see here a widget that says alerts. It shows you any triggered or waiting alerts and the ability to create an alert right from the Today page. You can, of course, do this from any stock report too. You'll find a button right here on the right, Alerts. If you click it, you'll be able to set them. But I want to show you how to do this from a portfolio. If you scroll down in the table view, in a watch list all your portfolio holdings, you will see these cog icons next to any of the shares in the list. If you click the cog, you'll see alerts, click it, and this modal pop-up will appear. You can set price alerts, stop loss alerts, fundamental alerts, technical alerts, as well as news and key date alerts. Let's go through in turn. Firstly, price alerts are pretty self-explanatory. We do show the current price, and you may want to get an alert, let's say if it falls through a certain level, or if it goes above a certain level for a buy indicator. Stop loss alerts or stop gain alerts are very powerful if you want to choose from, say, your buy date, and you want to choose a 15% stop loss, set the date, click save, and it's set. We're one of the few sites that allows fundamental alerts. You can set an alert based on the stock rank or other popular measures, and in fact, any of our fundamental data that we have available. I quite like using a stock rank less than 70 to help me institute some sell discipline on my holdings. We also provide technical alerts for those who like technical analysis. So for example, if you want to set an alert when the price falls below the 200-day moving average, you can do so. Now, when any of these alerts trigger, you will get a notification. Those notifications will come through both via email, like this, with links back to the site, and on the site itself. Here we can see the one I've set is already below a stock rank of 70. If I click the bell icon, I can see these. I can click through to the stock report, and I can see it also at the top of the stock report. It's quite easy to reactivate or just archive. If you want to view all your alerts, click the alert icon, click View Alerts, and you can manage the full list of any that you've set across different stocks. I hope that you get a lot of use out of this feature, and it helps you create some buy and sell discipline in your own investment process.